Hi guys, I'm going to plant some flowers today. I have here blanket flower, Arizona sun. It's a perennial plant, so it's going to come back next year. And this one is hibiscus or gomamela. This is not a tropical but a perennial one also. I don't know what's the color of the flower. It's either red or white. There was no tag on the pot. And this one is a salvia, Sally Fun Blue Lagoon. This is an annual plant. I use a potting soil and I added a handful of vermiculite. The bottom of this pot has holes and I covered it with an inch of mulch for good drainage. Use a balanced fertilizer, meaning to say that it contains nitrogen, phosphorus, and potassium. Squeeze the bottom of the pot and rotate it at the same time for easy removal of the plant. I think I need to bury this blanket plant deeper because you can see the very base of the plant already. Fertilizer, then the salvia. Doing opposite arrangement here. Blanket, here the salvia, and at the back I'm gonna put another salvia. I'm going to add more soil. I'm going to insert the tags to remind me what I have planted in this path. I find these plants not so green, they're quite pale green, so I'm going to use the fish fertilizer once a week to make them greener and bushier. Another liquid fertilizer, which is a bloom booster for continuous blooming till autumn. Remove the dead flower or spent blossom at the base here. Is another spent blossom. Move at the base. With regards to the blanket flower, you see there's a new flower to be. So if this is going to die, I'm going to trim it above this first leaf. I'm going to trim it there. With the hibiscus, I'm just gonna trim it there at the base of the blossom after it turned dead. Please help me grow my channel by subscribing. Also like and share my videos. Have a wonderful day.